Welcome back to our channel. Today, we got something exciting to talk about: GetResponse, an all-in-one marketing platform that's been making waves in the industry. In this video, I'll walk you through its key features, ease of use, pricing, and whether it's worth considering for your marketing needs. First things first, let's talk about what GetResponse is. It's an all-in-one marketing platform that offers a suite of tools to help you with email marketing, marketing automation, landing page creation, and more. It's designed to streamline your marketing efforts and boost your business's success. Now, let's dive into some of the key features that make GetResponse to stand out. GetResponse offers a robust email marketing tool with customizable templates, automation workflows, and advanced analytics. Email campaigns created by AI. You can make more sales by letting their AI create your emails and landing pages in minutes. You can create automated marketing workflows to nurture leads and engage with your audience at the right time. It also provides a responsive email design tool that ensures your emails look great on various devices and screen sizes, enhancing the user experience for your subscribers. You also get detailed insights into how your email campaigns are performing. You can track metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and unsubscribe rates. These metrics help you gauge the effectiveness of your email content and subject lines. Beyond email engagement metrics, GetResponse allows you to track conversions. You can set up conversion goals to monitor specific actions taken by your subscribers, such as making a purchase, signing up for a webinar, or downloading a resource. This helps you measure the ROI of your email campaigns. It enables you to analyze the performance of different segments within your email list. This is valuable for understanding how different subscriber groups respond to your campaigns and tailoring your content accordingly. If you would like to explore GetResponse more, you can create an account and try all features free for 30 days by clicking the link in the description below. No credit card required. Upgrade when you are ready. Let's continue with the review. Some plans include click heat maps, allowing you to see where subscribers are clicking within your emails. This visual representation can help you identify the most engaging elements of your emails. GetResponse provides an intuitive drag-and-drop landing page builder to help you create stunning, conversion-focused pages. It also allows you to host webinars, which is a fantastic way to engage with your audience and generate leads. GetResponse seamlessly integrates with popular tools like Shopify, WordPress, and more to enhance your marketing efforts. One of the things I love about GetResponse is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a marketing pro or a beginner, you'll find it easy to navigate and set up your campaigns. Plus, they offer plenty of resources and tutorials to help you get started. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty pricing. GetResponse offers different pricing plans to cater to businesses of all sizes. They also have a free trial so you can test the platform before committing. Be sure to check their website for the latest pricing details. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the pros and cons of GetResponse. Pros: comprehensive marketing tools, user-friendly interface, automation capabilities, great support and resources. Cons: pricing can be a bit steep for small businesses. Some advanced features may have a learning curve. To sum it up, GetResponse is a powerful marketing platform that offers a range of tools to help businesses succeed online. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to streamline your marketing efforts, GetResponse is definitely worth considering. If you want to explore GetResponse further and see if it's the right fit for your business, we've included a link in the video description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more marketing tips and reviews.